Hey guys, got another unboxing for you today. Today I'm reviewing the Logitech K800 wireless illuminated keyboard. Great product. Let's have a look in the box. Let's just we have one keyboard, nicely wrapped. The unified receiver. USB lead. And some manuals. This keyboard is everything you've come to expect from a Logitech product. It's well made, it's got a good build quality, it's got a good weight to it, and this particular version is LED backlit. Every key is lit individually, so there's no local dimming issues like you get on cheaper keyboards. So it's great for working in the dark or if you're using it with a media center. The lighting works by sensing your hand close to the keys, so by taking your hands away, the lighting turns off automatically to save power. You can typically expect around 15 hours at a minimum to 10 days depending upon how heavily you use the keyboard. So you're not forever charging it. So just looking at the back of the keyboard, you've got the micro USB charger, obviously the 2 feet that come out to level it, and you get this really nice clear bezel that runs along the edge of the keyboard, which gives it a really nice look, I think. I'm just going to do a quick type test here for you, just so you can hear what it sounds like. It's not too loud, it's very soft on your fingers, it has a nice feel. So there you have it. So thank you for watching my video today. I hope it helped you make an informed decision on your purchasing of your next wireless keyboard. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe. See you again.